on the installation of those Fox 2.0 performance shocks with the what's that thing called again? What's this thing called? The Reservoir. So I was looking for videos on how to mount the Reservoir on this particular application, which is a second generation Dodge Ram. I called the Fox people, they didn't know. So what we had to do was, there was a bracket that came with the kit, and I had to weld it right there on top of the frame, holding the coil springs. So that's how the front Reservoirs gets mounted on a second generation Dodge Ram. The back is easy as pie. You don't have to worry about it. But just so you know, this Reservoir is not going to fit next to the shock like you have it set up in the back. All right, guys, take it easy, bro.